Avogadro's law. Imagine having 3 containers with movable pistons. Each container has a different mass of solid added, and then the solid is warmed, so that it becomes a gas. The volume of gas in each container will be in the same proportion as the masses added. Although the amount of substance could be measured in grams, moles is more useful to chemists because it is a measure of how many particles are present in the amount being used. For a single gas, the relationship between the volume of gas and the mass of substance is directly proportional. If you double the mass, you double the volume the gas will occupy, so long as the pressure and temperature remain constant. Avogadro's law states that equal volume of different gases have an equal number of particles, providing the volumes are measured at the same pressure and same temperature. When chemists count particles, they use moles. In chemistry, a mole is a unit of measure for the amount of substance. The mole is more useful to chemists because it is a measure of how many particles of a substance are present. The particles present in 1 mole is 602 followed by 21 zeros. This is normally written in standard form, 6.02 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23. This number is known as Avogadro's constant. 1 mole of any gas occupies 24 decimeter cubed at 25 degrees C and 1 atm pressure. 1 mole of helium has a mass of 4 grams. 1 mole of oxygen has a mass of 32 grams. 1 mole of nitrogen has a mass of 28 grams. Although the masses of 1 mole of each of these gases is different, as a consequence of Avogadro's law, 1 mole of any gas will have a set volume. Summary. Avogadro's law was put forward in 1811 and states that equal volumes of different gases contain an equal number of particles, providing the temperature and pressure are the same. This means that the volume of gas is proportional to the mass of the gas, m, and also to the number of moles, n. 1 mole of any gas has a volume of 24 decimeter cubed at 25 degrees C and 1 atm pressure. Keywords. Atom. Tiny particles that are the smallest amount of an element that can exist. Avogadro's constant. The number of particles in 1 mole of a substance. It has the numerical value of 6.02 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23. Mass. The quantity or amount of matter in an object. Mole. A unit for a standard amount of substance based on the number of particles. Molecule. More than 1 atom chemically bonded together to form a distinct unit. Particle. A small portion of matter. A particle can be identified as a distinct unit within a substance. Volume. The amount of 3-dimensional space an object occupies.